Triniti's flagship Global Product Maintenance software, TgPM, is now integrated to Oracle SCM Cloud. We will demonstrate two key productivity and data integrity features for product structures and work definitions. We will be using a typical semiconductor structure with the front end in one organization and the back end in another. Templates. While Oracle SCM Cloud allows you to create a product, TgPM allows you to create a template for products, product structures, inter-org and supplier sourcing, and work definitions under one entity. With global product structure models, you can now ensure that end users can create the entire structure very quickly without making errors. In this template, the part number, or device as it is called in Semiconductor, and the organization it is manufactured in are the only fields the user has to enter. A blue connector indicates that it is a bill of material, while a red indicates a sourcing connector. Inheritance allows field values from the parent to be automatically copied down the hierarchy. These are very useful for maintaining the integrity of attributes such as categories and nomenclature. Here, we are using device name and manufacturing organization as an example. Another use case is copying category values from the parent to its children. First, we enter the part and organization for the backend and propagate them automatically through inheritance to the die subassembly. Now, we do the same for the front end, from die to supplier sourcing for wafer. This is for the primary sourcing. The dual sourcing. TgPM has many other productivity and data integrity features. Click below for a more detailed demo. Thank you for watching and contact us for a free POC.